What's up, guys? It's your boy GD Warrior, and guess what we're doing tonight? We're gonna go for to a bike night. All right, so Wednesday nights is our like little group bike night. Nothing official, you know, it's not a set location and stuff like that. It's just a few friends getting together and having a good time on their bikes, you know. And these are my fastest friends in the group. That means we got a Raider in there with a 2-in-1 exhaust, you know, back and stuff like that. Then we have a 114 cubic inch stage 3 or stage 4 street glide. What else do we have there? Sometimes the Victory Octane that comes out, and some other bikes. So I'll surprise you guys. I take a video of every single bike when I'm there. And this is gonna be a nice night tonight. You know, there's no rain. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's fucking perfect. Hell yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed my how to fix an oil leak video. That was pretty straightforward. Some of you guys oh shit, I need gas. Well, there's a gas station right there. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Good seeing you, man.
Everything all right?
I saw you last time going to bike night on the road. You were going on Sawgrass, and I was going south from Sawgrass. Oh shit, M109R, huh? That's a fucking fast bike right there. What's going on, man? Everything good?
It's awesome. What's your name, my friend?
Graziano, nice meeting you. We got time for a cigarette? Go, 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 go. Here's the M109R right next to me. Then right next to him, or in front of him, is the VTX 1800. Oh yeah, that looks fucking sick, man. With the boys. That's how we roll, motherfucker. That's how we roll, guys. Very slim tire, huh? What do you got here? Striker. Thank you, buddy. Alright guys, so we are all heading out now to the next bar, and there's a few more bikes coming with us. And I saw also there was a fucking 117 cubic inch Dyna with 2.1 exhaust and all that crap, so let's see if we can get some action going on. Rockn engines, hey!
No Patrick. That's the bike for me. My shit ain't bad.
I know, but he said that's the bike to beat. Right there is the 117. Oh, they fucking disappeared, huh? Oh shit. Alright, shit is about to get serious.
Yeah. Everybody?
Okay, I think we got everybody, right? Trey is right there.
What?
Trey is still there.
Training?
Yeah. He's coming. Alright, that's him.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, there's the Dyna crew. There is the Dyna crew on the highway. It's gonna be fun. Here's the Dyna crew. Oh shit. We gotta make a left right on Dixie, bro. Motherfucker, man. Fuck. Wait. I'm gonna go right there. Come on.
Another spot there. In the front.
I just parked right next to him here.
Alright, no problem. Go for it.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Everyone making excuses. I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off. Know that I'm never gon' lose it. Got addicted to the chase now. People saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still. I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me. They treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treated me like I'm a salary. They bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories. All of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern. I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn. Living my dream in return. This is a given, it's earned. People been listening over the world. I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway.